Welcome to my miniature art and design channel. Today I'm going to be making this IKEA wall shelf in these 7 finishes, using their measurements to scale down. First, cut a 1 inch by 1 inch square. I like to cut the next 2 pieces by measuring off the first. This way you can make sure they are all exactly the same size. I chose to use a 1/8 inch thickness because I thought it would look cute, even if it's not exactly to scale. Paint the 3 pieces on both sides. For the walnut effect, I used burnt umber. Apply with a wet rag or paper towel and wipe off the excess to expose the wood grain. I mixed all the colors, but you can easily buy them already made. For the oak effect, I used matte medium. Now you're going to glue the bottom and sides of the box together. By leaving the wood glue out exposed to air, it starts to get sticky and easier to use. Use a hard, flat surface to make sure the box is level while drying. Here's a good way to store the glue while you're not using it. Once the 3 sides are dry, you can measure for the top. I measure each one because the tops vary in size depending on how the box dried. This yellow I mixed needed 2 coats, but the other colors only needed 1. Now you glue on the tops, wiping away any excess glue. I used this 1/16 wide wood for the backs. Always use a knife to cut against the grain and a saw to cut with the grain. Final step, paint and then glue the backs on. I ended up making all the colors IKEA offers. And now my favorite part, installing the miniature IKEA wall shelves. I'm creating a little reading corner with an IKEA chair and tables. Here's a little blanket and some art. And of course, the books. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.